Hey there, entrepreneurs, ready to unlock the secrets to business success? Today, I'm breaking down the essentials of management. Let's dive right in. First off, what exactly is management? Simply put, management is the process of planning, organizing, leading, and controlling resources to achieve specific goals. Think of it as the brain of your business operations. Without effective management, even the best business ideas can flounder. Now let's talk about the types of management. We start with strategic management. This involves setting long-term goals and determining the best strategies to achieve them. Imagine you're a captain of a ship, charting the course for a long voyage. That's your strategic management at work. Next, we have tactical management. While strategic management is about the long game, tactical management focuses on short-term actions and plans. Think of it as the steps you take to navigate daily challenges and opportunities. Then, there's operational management. This type is all about ensuring that the day-to-day operations run smoothly. It's like the gears in a watch, working together seamlessly to keep time. Don't forget about human resource management. This involves recruiting, training, and maintaining your workforce. Because let's face it, your people are your greatest asset. Financial management is another key area. It's all about managing your company's financial resources, from budgeting to investing and everything in between. Keeping a close eye on your finances can make or break your business. Finally, we have project management. This is the practice of planning, initiating, executing, and closing project activities. It's like being the director of a play, coordinating actors, sets, and scenes to create a final performance. So, why does management matter? Effective management plays a pivotal role in organizational development. It fosters a structured environment where goals are clear, resources are efficiently utilized, and teams are motivated. With good management, you can improve productivity, enhance employee satisfaction, and drive innovation. Remember, management isn't just a role, it's a skill set. And like any skill, it can be developed and refined over time. So, whether you're steering a startup or scaling an established enterprise, mastering the principles of management can set you on the path to success. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more insights. Stay motivated, stay inspired, and keep pushing forward. Until next time, take care.